What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, here's part 2 of the video, or maybe it's part 3, I don't know. But we're doing an unboxing. Got all this cool old stuff here to go through. It's not super old, but I don't know. It's stuff I'm not really familiar with. So let's see what else we got in here. More commemorative. Well, this is weird. Why are these? So this must have been the proof one. You can always tell the US Mint products, the codes in the back here. So this was a CC and this was a CG. So I'm assuming this probably was like the uncirculated one. Yep. Well, at least comes with a capsule. 750,000 of these made. It was a $50. And it was just a regular copper nickel one, not a silver one. All right. Dude, there's so much stuff in here. This thing is packed. So the reason I picked this up too is like, wow, that's a 2021. I've actually owned this one. That's a proof. This is right before the US Mint got super cheap. So the 2022 is when they got real cheap. So this is, I think, the last year of the nice cases. So anyways, these are minimal worth $10 to somebody. Especially the Eagle ones. Here's the seats. This is how they changed it. This is 2020. No, this is 2021. Wait a minute. Oh, this must have been the Type 1, and then they went Type 2. See how cheap they got a Type 2? No more clamshell. Oh yeah, I remember doing a video about this. I was complaining. So was every other person. They're like, man, this is so cheap. They don't give a clamshell anymore. So, pretty interesting, right? Same year, 2021, old school. 2021, new school. And we got another proof. Looks like a 2020 or 2019 S. Is this the really rare one? It doesn't say the mint mark. That's just a proof. But again, someone probably needs a box for their collection. These are really nice too. Like I could tell like this guy literally got the coins, sent them out to get graded. And then put these away. Because normally like these boxes are all like dusty or gross. Because they've been sitting in someone's shelf or in some dealer's nasty booth. Man, this is cool. This is a 2020 S. I don't think I got this one. Very, very cool. Nice score. So again, I picked. I'm not bashful to tell you what I paid for all this. $65. Oh, there's a random thing in there. And there's another one of these that wasn't photographed. Beautiful condition. Even mine aren't that nice. So we got 2 of those. I think the PCGS blue boxes that hold the coin holders, I think these go for $15. But I'll probably use them. What we got in here? What is this? All right, we'll show that next. That box is huge. All right, so we got the uncirculated ones. So these are the burnished 2020, 2020. These are the same. Oh wow, the coin capsule is in there. That's huge. Believe it or not, guys, like some of these don't have them, some have them. But then he gave me a big like batch of them. Yeah, these coin holders alone can go for like $5 because the US Mint ones are really hard to find. So happy to have those. Throw that in the back here. Ooh, cool. We got some Morgan boxes. So 2021 Morgan, New Orleans, and San Francisco. I know, guys, there's no coins in here, but for you newer collectors, oh yeah, that's good. This is really good. These are hard to find too, because these fit the silver dollars. I don't think they fit, or Morgan silver dollars. I don't think they fit American Silver Eagles. So very pleased with that. Most of these are kept by collectors, so I'm assuming this might be worth like 15 bucks. And let's see if the coin holder's in here. Got the certificate, yep, and the coin holder. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, I think these will be 15 a piece. Let's see if there's any more in here. I got more uncirculated from 2019. This is all really modern stuff here. Got the coin holder in that as well. Super happy about that. So I've been that guy where I'm like, I need that coin holder and I couldn't find it, so I had to end up like buying it for someone. And it turns out the coin holders they had were not the actual U.S. Mint ones. They were actually fake. They were like the made in China ones. So here's another 2019 here. Got a bunch of cases here. These are cool too. Check these out. Like these alone are worth. Look at this gold one. Wow, I've never seen one like this before. That's probably a $20 holder right here. Yeah, it looks like it would held like a one, maybe a quarter or half of gold, like a proof one. This looks like for American Silver Eagle proof. American Silver Eagle proof. These boxes alone go for 10 bucks. They don't make these anymore. They're really nice if you have them in your collection. They do take a lot of space up in your safe, but if you're in the American Silver Eagles, that's the only way to go. So, man, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a lot. I'm not even going to count. Like, who cares? Showing it off at this point. Okay, I didn't get into this at all, but you're going to make some room. Oh, maybe that was the gold that went with that because that coin was not as big. So maybe this is for the 2009 Ultra High Relief. Yep, probably. I've had one of those before, graded. And that was right when I got into coin collecting. I think I picked it up for like $2,200, ended up selling for like $2,500. And then I wish I would have still had it. It's probably worth like $3,500 today. But it was DCAM, 70 graded. All right, so these are all kind of the same. I want to say these basketball ones came with either silver, maybe there's some gold ones, but they made Unk versions. I don't think this was as popular. I didn't even read the certificate. Did that even have a certificate inside? It did. Let's see if this was for the silver. Oh no, copper nickel. Well, it says 8.33 nickel balanced copper. So these are like $half of the basketball. They weren't even silver. Yeah, I didn't collect those, but maybe someone needs one of these. Or you could use it to hold a Kennedy, a nicer Kennedy. So I don't think those will be hot sellers, but you never know, right? Maybe I'll be the only guy that put the set on there. This might have been for the gold one or proof or the full dollar version because this is big. Let's see here. 400,000. Yeah, these were the all silver ones. I don't know if these were the proof ones. I would assume so with this type of boxing here. And it does have the coin holder inside. I can hear it rattling around. So my guess is that would have been for the silver proof. So regardless, it's a nice holder. And we got another one. So it's weird, like this is a newer box, but then they still had the nice clamshells. Yeah, that actually has the felt holder inside, so I didn't think those holders would be rattling around in there. But anyways, again, someone probably needs one of these to complete their set, or they've got a raw coin they want to match up with the set. That's cool. I'm sure it's worth 10 bucks to somebody. Ooh, we got more Morgans. Ooh, we got a piece one too. Yes, awesome. So this is the Denver one. This is the super rare. If you find it in Mint State 70, it's like worth over $1,000, but you got to get it graded because these were complete trash when they came from the U.S. Mint. So that's why they're so expensive when you find a Mint State 70, because they all had, well, not all, but majority of them had issues. Here's the Peace Dollar version. I do miss my Peace Dollar, so I kind of wish I didn't sell it, but I did make a nice profit on the Peace Dollar, but that was by far my most favorite one. So I'm always, every now and then, looking for a good deal on one. If I find one, I'll definitely pick it up. That's a problem too. Like when I don't really like collect stuff, but I guess I kind of do. It's like certain things I'll price kind of crazy, but there's the Peace Dollar. And Peace Dollar was probably the most popular besides the CC Morgan, but now that the most expensive one is the actual Denver Mint Morgan, but it's got to be Mint State 70. And then here's the Carson City. Did not own one of these, never had one of these boxes in hand, but this is complete. And it does have the capsule for it. Very happy about that. So I haven't priced these out. I think these go for $20, these raw, like complete with the actual capsule. Because there are sellers I've seen that sell for 10, but they are missing the capsule. So I might be wrong, but I might be able to make my money back just on the complete Morgan Silver Dollar empty boxes and the Peace Dollar. All right, so it looks like I've got 4 big boxes left. What is, dude, never mind. This one's huge. What is this? Dude. Running out of room in my box here. All right. This is humongous. 50 state quarters. It's ginormous. I don't know what this is, so let's open it up here. What the heck? The frick is this? All right, so I don't know what this is, guys. I never got into the state quarters. These are like panels. I don't know. I probably would have thrown that away because I don't, like, if someone has this set, they probably already have this box. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna toss that, or maybe I'll use. Like, look how big that is. It's bigger than a piece of gesso. Maybe I'll just use it to store coins in. I don't know. That's kind of stupid. I would have probably tossed that. All right, this says made in China, so that's not from the U.S. Mint. Ooh, but what is this? Fancy. Oh, is this like if you've got like some ultimate, like ultra beautiful slab and you want to show it off? Let's check it out. A little gold action here. It's actually not bad. Let's check it out, guys. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. All right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do something here. All right. Guess what's inside? It's something I paid $10 for. At least it fits NGC. All right, let's see if it fits an annex. All right, putting the annex in here. Oh, it does. Guess what's inside? Did you guess right? Bam! Look at that, dude. That holds it nice. Doesn't come out. Oh, this is kind of like loose and janky though here on top. So I guess if you were a dealer and you wanted to be all fancy, you could like do something like this and have it like in a case. But I don't know. I am not like the guy that puts stuff on his shelf in his office and says, look what I got. But maybe if you have like a nice office and you want to show off a really, really expensive slab, I bet you something like this is at least $20 if you order from Amazon. So that's awesome. Thank you very much to the seller. All right, I've got 2 boxes left. Dude, look at this thing. That's cool. 2021 limited edition silver proof set. I think I had this. Did I own this? I don't know. I did so many videos on YouTube. Oh, no, I didn't have this one. Nope, I didn't get this one. I only got the 2 coin set. This was the 2 eagles, the half. What else does this come with? The Roosevelt, Kennedy, so a dime. Was the nickel silver too? Oh, no, 2 quarters. Never mind. Yeah, the Tuskegee, and the Crossing the Delaware. And then 2 Silver Eagles. I think I didn't buy this set because I had already had a US Mint set and I had already bought the 2 Eagle Proof set. So buying this was like redundant. And I think that's why this wasn't a real hot seller, because it was kind of stupid. There was not like a special coin inside from a mint, different mint. They were like, you could get the quarters, the Roosevelt dime, the Kennedy from a regular 2021 Proof Silver Mint, and then you could have bought the 2 Eagles, the S Mint and the W Mint, I believe it was, separate as well. So this whole thing was just if you were super lazy and you just want it all in one. But it's very cool that I have the case for it. All right, and last but not least, I have never seen this before, so we're going to unwrap this. I'm going to unwrap this nicely, though, because I'm going to rewrap it. I could not pull comps on this. This was probably the main reason I bought this deal, because I've never seen this before. So I'll peel it out live here. All right, there's the bottom. All right, it's Guardhouse, and it's got like a hologram on it. And again, I'm running out of room in here. It is pretty nice conditions. Check the corners. A little bit of bangage here, but that's okay. Check the back. It's nice gold plated. All right. And that is not a sticker. That is actually embossed in there. So I don't know if you more experienced collectors have ever seen this before, but I've never seen this. I've never ever seen this. So this, I guess, is to hold really nice, really like this is wood inside, and then there's felt in the ouch. There's felt in the bottom of this. What is that? Velvet? And that's really, really nice gold plating. So really, really nice. And just like it's not supposed to, it doesn't hold NGC holders. It doesn't hold Annex holders. It only holds PCGS holders. Let me grab one real quick, make sure it actually fits in.